Well, Nefarious maganda.
Ayun, napanood ko yun.
Oo, yung maraming exorcist, gusto yung palabas na yan dahil it's ang gulat nga mukhang talagang may exorcist silang, na
And hindi
consultant.
siya Catholic movie, no?
Joy, no? Pero talagang napakalayo sa talagang ginagawa ng isang exorcist, no? Of
Oo.
course, may mga tama doon, no? Of course,
Mm.
it's based on Father Amort, and I've met him also, no? I've also
Wow.
been part of his organization,
Oo.
association, no, sa Roma. I've met him a number of times and even interviewed him and did it. But, yun na nga, ginagawa nila masyadong sensational. It's, nakakalimutan nila that it is a ministry of mercy.
Mm.
Ginagawa nila, it's all about the devil when actually it's not. It's about the Lord Jesus Christ. Pumapasok sa buhay ng isang tao na gustong bumalik sa kanya at binawasak ng Panginoon ang mga hadlang at mga bagahe, ay yung mga hadlang na nilagay ng demonyo dyan para hindi makabalik yung tao sa kanya.
Meron ka bang Pads, na pwedeng i-recommend na movie na tingin mo educational?
Well, Nefarious maganda.
Ayun, napanood ko yun.
Oo, yung maraming exorcist, gusto yung palabas na yan dahil it's ang gulat nga mukhang talagang may exorcist silang, na
And hindi
consultant.
siya Catholic movie, no?
May Catholic, it's both Catholic, yung gumawa niyan, Christian and a Catholic magkasama,
Okay, okay.
magkasama sila. And then the consultant na pare, mukhang exorcist yan, eh. Kaya nga last week, meron kaming conference on exorcism. Si Monsignor Stephen Rossetti from the States came. And then sabi niya, that's the best movie that exorcists like. And I agree with that. Because if kapag naka-experience ka na ng isang exorcism, you know how the demon acts through a person. Paano siya nagpapakita, how does he manifest. At when you look at the movie, you will see yung tao mismo gumanap ng parang possessed siya, no? Talagang the devil was really had really taken over even his personality. Yan yung nakikita namin sa isang exorcism, no? The way that he speaks, yung mga facial reactions niya, yung kanyang physical manifestations, that is what we see during an exorcism. And then we deal with possessed people.
Yeah, napanood ko din yan. And very honest ang demoniac.
Yeah,
Very honest sila.
Yeah, because basically, the devil is very proud, eh. Magyayabang yan, eh. Papakita niya ng, pag alam niya na itong tao to, kasi yung tao hindi niniwala, the main doctor, no? So, he will play around with you, no? And he will try to scare you. He will, but if you notice, the main goal ng demonyo is to get this person, di ba? Yung kaluluwang tao nito. Kaya nga, nung huli na-possess siya, di ba? That's actually the main goal. So he can actually, pwede siyang umatake ng diretsuhan, right? Manifesting his anger or pride, or he can manipulate using yung mga emotional tactics. No? Using yung mga salita na parang kaakit-akit, no, sa tao. Gano'n. So it depends upon ano yung goal, pinanglayunin niya. So in the end naman, nakita niyo na he was able to possess this person because he was able to be manipulated by the devil.